Dear students, welcome to Shasha's virtual classroom. So today we will discuss C2, that is chapter 2, double entry bookkeeping, exam style questions. So similar questions you can find in your question papers. So let us see what you can do is you can try answering this question on your own. So you can see the question on the screen. So you can try and answer this. So you can maybe you can pause the video and try to answer this question. So Mahela is a trader. He took goods costing 100 for his own use. How would Mahela record this in his ledger? So these are the answers. So you try answering yourself. Then there is another second question. Just one purchased good from Ali and paid in cash. Which entries would Ali make in his ledger? So account to be created, account to be debited. So pause this and then try to answer yourself. Then again, the third question. Dinesh returned goods to his credit supplier. Dinesh, how would Dinesh record this in his ledger? Account to be debited, account to be credited. So just have a look at this question. So you can try to answer this on your own. So I will discuss the solution after this. So now coming to the solution. So Mahela is a trader. Who is a Mahela? Okay, Mahela is a trader. So he took goods costing 100 for his own use. 100 for his own use means obviously it is drawings. So drawings will be debited. Drawings is always debited when the person is taking away. So drawings will be debited because he is receiving the goods. So he is receiving he is taking away. So he is the person who is receiving. So that is why it is drawings. Drawings means proprietor is receiving. No. So proprietor is receiving. Receiving. So proprietor is receiving. So debit whoever receives. So that is the rule, right? So that is the rule for accounting. So his own use. So then what is happening? So he took goods costing 100 for his own use. So which account will be created? So his purchase he is giving away from purchased goods, not from the closing inventory. So he is giving away the purchased goods. Out of purchases only he will be giving. Inventory is the stock line. Inventory is the stock line. So it is the right thing is out of purchase goods itself is taking away. So it is purchases, not the inventory. Jaswant purchased goods from Ali and paid in cash. So some students may get confused whether inventory can be written because the goods upon purchase when you store it then it becomes inventory. So normally it is not done that way. So we have to write it as if you have given away, you have taken away from the purchased goods. That is the rule actually. So that is the rule. So Jaswant purchased goods from Ali and paid in cash. So what is happening? So paying in cash. So cash is going out. No doubt cash is going out. So in this case cash is not going out. So cash is going out. So which entries will only make in his ledger? Jaswant purchase, no? So purchase goods from Ali and paid in cash would Ali make in his ledger? Oh, okay. So these are the books of Ali. Which entries would Ali make in his ledger? Jaswant purchased goods from Ali. So Ali in his ledger. So we have to see from Ali's point of view. So you have to see from Ali's point of view. Okay. So this is wrong. This is wrong. So this is not the right thing. So we have to understand. We have to read the question carefully. See, if you don't understand the question carefully, you are bound to commit mistakes. Even I had committed a mistake just because I did not read the question carefully. Okay. So just one purchase goods from Ali and paid in cash. Which entries would Ali make in his ledger? So now Ali, what is it? What transaction is this for Ali? For Ali, it is a sale. For Ali, it is a sale. So Ali, it is a sale. So either this or this. Okay, either it is a sale. It is not a purchase. It is a sale, and he is receiving cash. He's not. It is not that he is not receiving money. He has received money. So he has received money. So that is why cash is coming in. Cash is being received, and sales has taken place. So this is the right entry. So please understand and do the question. Carefully read the question. Before attempting the answer, read the question very carefully. Otherwise, you are going to make mistakes. So Dinesh returned goods to his credit supplier. Thisara, who Thisara, okay. Return goods credit customer, credit supplier Thisara. So Dinesh returned. How would Dinesh record in his ledger? So Dinesh has returned. No? So Dinesh is recording. So what is happening? It's a sales return or purchase return. So Dinesh, when will Dinesh return the goods? Obviously, when you have purchased. Only if Dinesh has purchased, then only he can return the goods, right? So how can he return the goods that has been sold? If it has been sold, obviously he will receive back. But when only if he has purchased, only it will be returned by Dinesh. So it will be purchase returns. So then Dinesh returned goods to his credit supplier, Thisara. So Thisara, whom he is giving away to Thisara. So Thisara is who? He is the receiver. Thisara is the receiver of the goods. So receiver of the goods, right? So receiver of the goods. So purchase returns is reverse of purchases. Purchase returns is debit or credit. Purchase returns is not debit. Purchase returns is always credit. Purchase returns is always credit. This is the right entry. This is the wrong entry. So debit the receiver. Thisara is what? He is receiving or giving? Thisara is receiving. No, he is receiving. When Dinesh is giving the goods away, Thisara is receiving. So purchase returns is what? Purchase returns is opposite of purchases. Opposite of purchases. Opposite of purchases. Purchase is always a debit. So purchase returns is always a credit. So this is how you have to remember and attempt the correct answer. Okay. So don't commit mistake in a hurry. So take some time, understand, do the right answer, do the correct way. So never commit any mistake. Understand the concept. Understanding concept is very important in A levels. If you don't understand the concept in A levels, you will never get good marks. Remember, it's very very important. So we'll catch up in the next class. So this is the end of exercise exam style questions. So the next questions will be, see, this type of question. So where, what is the question? So we'll just discuss on 1st July 20, let us say 2026, Mumtaz started a business. The following transactions are for the first 2 weeks of trading. Mumtaz paid capital 20,000 in the bank account, bought premises, bought equipment, all these things. So then sold goods. Enter these transactions in the ledger of Mumtaz, balance the bank account and the account of Mayur Viha Traders and Rizima on 1st July and bring down the balances on 15th July 2026. So what you can do is maybe you can take the screenshot of this question. So or you can pause this video, or you can just pause or take the screenshot of this question and try to attempt this on your own. So this we will do it in the next class. So we will explain, I will explain to you how to write the ledger, how to do this problem, how to write Enter these transactions in the ledger of Mumtaz, balance the bank account and the accounts of Mayur Vihar Traders and Rudima on 14 July and bring down the balances on 15 July. So how to do this we'll discuss in the next class. Till then, bye bye.